Okay, on this network diagram, we have three different range of IP addresses. As you can see on ADSL Wi-Fi router, we have 192.168.8.0 range of IP address, and on our gateway we have a different IP address range, which is 192.168.101.0, and the third one is gateway 2, and its IP address is also different. So right now these all devices cannot communicate with each other. In our case, our computer, which is on Windows or Linux, must communicate with these devices since they are on different range. So we must have to have same range of IP address on this Windows or Linux machine. Okay, so we must add same IP address as to JSON Gateway 1, which is going to be 192.168.101.0 series. Then again we will add another series IP address similar to JSON Gateway 2, which is going to be 192.168.102.0 range. Okay, once we add these IP addresses in our system, then we can have the communication up and going. Okay, now we are going to see how we can add different range of IP address on a Windows machine. uh, to do this, we need to go to our network settings. You can go from your control panel, or you can just see the network icon. Just to right click and click on open network and sharing center. Okay, okay, the first icon you will see, it can be a wired network or wireless network. In my case it's wireless network, so I will click on this icon. Okay, then the second step, which is very important and compulsory, before you go to client system, you must check what IP range your client have on his network. Okay, so I will go to details and I will check uh, what is the IP range he has on his network. So in this case the network range is 192.168.8.0 network. Okay, so I will take a point of on this stage I will take 2 points. Okay, first of all I will check what is the IP DHCP server range. Like right now I know DHCP is assigning IP addresses from 192.168.8.00. So definitely I'm going to use uh, another IP which is not on DHCP server range. And second thing I will note, what is the default gateway IP address. On this case, the IP address is 192.168.8.1. Okay, so simply I will take a note and I will close it. Then I will go to properties. Then I will go to Internet Protocol TCP/IP version 4. I will go to properties. Then I will click on use the following IP address. Okay. Now on this point I'm going to add the IP address, which is going to be 192.168.1.8, sorry, dot 150. Let me see my diagram. Yeah, I have 200, so let me go to my diagram. Let's say 200. Then I will add 192.168.8.1, which is my default gateway IP address. Okay, by mistakenly if you add another IP address or a wrong IP address, internet will stop working. Okay, so be very careful on this point. Okay, then simply add DNS server, which is 88888. Okay, now the next step I will go to advanced. On this stage, on this point, you can add multiple IP from different range. Okay, simply go to add and click on 192.168.101.100. As per my example, I have this IP address, so I'll simply add. Then I will add one more, which is going to be 192.168.102.100, and simply add. Okay, press OK. Okay, now your network should be up and working. First of all, I will ping the DNS gateway. If it's working, yeah, the internet is working. Okay, now second, I will ping to these these two devices to see if the connectivity is okay. I'll ping their IP address 101.20. Here we go. Okay, connection is up. Now I will check again the second router. I mean second gateway. It is 192.168.102.30. Here we go. So we have done the configuration. It's very easy, very simple. By simply by adding these two IP addresses, my computer can communicate with these devices. Simple. Okay. In next diagram, we will go through how to add, you know, static IP address and a different range of IP address on Linux or Ubuntu. Okay.